Hey creators, welcome back. If you're seeing an ad suitability warning on your YouTube video, it means YouTube thinks your content may not be friendly for advertisers. This can reduce your revenue, limit ads, or give you that yellow dollar icon. But don't worry. Let's fix this step by step. Step 1. Understand what triggered the warning. Go to YouTube Studio, Content, Restrictions column, and click the video. You'll usually see categories like inappropriate language, controversial issues, violence, harmful or dangerous content, adult topics. Even one word in the first 30 seconds can trigger limited ads. Step 2, check your title, description, and thumbnail. Sometimes the issue is not the video, it's the packaging. Avoid shocking phrases, words related to death, weapons, or crime, clickbait like shocking truth or exposed. Make everything look clean and brand safe. Step 3, edit the first 30 seconds. This part is heavily scanned by YouTube's AI. Remove strong profanity graphic descriptions, sensitive news style language. If needed, trim the intro and re-upload or use YouTube Editor. Step 4, make your content educational, not sensational. You can talk about serious topics, but the tone must be informational, calm, and neutral, and not dramatic or emotional. Step 5, request a manual review. If you believe the warning is wrong, click Request Review. Real humans check it, and many videos get switched back to green. Step 6, avoid repeated warnings. Frequent yellow icons reduce channel trust. Stay in advertiser-friendly topics like tutorials, tech, education, productivity, and how-to content. An ad suitability warning doesn't mean your channel is in danger, it just means your video needs to be more brand safe. Fix the language, tone, and presentation, request review, and you can restore full monetization. See you in the next guide.